Hello everyone, welcome back to day 2 of the build. I didn't think I'd get much work done today because I ran into a horrible problem to where I added something in the from the Unity store that almost crashed everything, so I had to delete it, and I had to basically create a new scene. It's the same exact scene. All I did was extract everything and put it into a new project, and it works fine now. So I ain't making that mistake again. But that took a few hours to get everything back to where I was, because I had actually made some good progress today. As you can see, I'm using a different skybox. That's only so you can see everything before I show you how I really want it to look for the update. Now you can see everything a lot better. The only thing I've done right now is added these 3 tables. I realized afterwards when I was making this that I screwed up on this one, so I'm going to delete these tables and remake them. Because this was the original, and it was going to be a swivel chair, and it was just a test. So I'm going to delete all these on Monday, because how I decided to do this is Monday to Friday I'm going to be working on this level possible game, and then Saturday and Sunday I'm going to take off, so I don't have to, burn myself out from building. But yeah. So yeah, the only new addition to inside the building is these 3 tables, but I'll remove them. The outside is a test. This is a temporary scene I added to see how it would look with depth. Because like from this angle it looks like the buildings are big, normal size, and you're actually like maybe the 3rd floor, but in all reality they're like a few inches off the ground. I also made this terrain right here. It's very simple, but I'm going to add more detail to it in coming videos. The only other thing I did today was fix any type of texture break that I realized wasn't just a texture break. It was this part of this square was pushed too far that way and colliding with the texture of this wall right here. I had to do that for a bunch of areas, like this one. So basically all above the door frames. And oh, there we go. I had gone around the room, and I had noticed, let me show you what I had to change. This spot right here, I don't know if my mouse is going to pop up on the video, that's why I say this. This spot right here was pushed too far back where you could actually see, this part right here of this wall. So I had to adjust that. I had noticed today that this wall right here was too far down, so I had to fix that. I noticed this part of the wall right here wasn't too high up to match with this one right here, so I fixed that. I fixed down here. I fixed the glass. There were a few parts where it was past the wall, like this one was past this wall right here. And then there was one other piece that I fixed. It was where was it? I can't remember right now. Yeah, I can't remember. But anyway, so this is what the whole map looks like. Let me remove the fog real quick. Give it a second. There we go. Yeah, this is the size of the temporary map. So it's just a placeholder stuff. I'll probably adjust onto it the more that this world evolves, like I said in the last video. But yeah, when I add the actual, where is it? The actual skybox. Usually I use this one because it's not too bright, not too dark, as the when I'm building, because I can see everything perfectly and it doesn't hurt my eyes. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you maybe midnight. Let's do midnight. Yeah, that way it's really dark in here. Because I was thinking last night, I want to still build some light fixtures, like lights on the ceiling and stuff. But I don't want to add the lights into it. I wanted to say, like, you came back, like I said in the last video, I said it was going to be your game designer who comes back after work and discovers something he's not supposed to. I don't know what that's going to be yet. I'm still thinking. But I figured someone cut the power. Like, they don't want you, they don't want anyone to see what they're doing type thing. So you came and you found a flashlight, and now you're trying to explore this place. But this is what I imagine it'll look like. Let me make it bigger, and let's do a walkthrough of everything in the darkness. So as you can see, it's incredibly hard to see within like a few feet of you. That's because I have the fog activated, and then I turned it to black shadows, so that way it's darkening everything. The flashlight is decent. I imagine it's like a cheap flashlight you get like like Walmart or something. But you can see pretty decently with it. And it does help, but I might adjust it in the future if I start building more onto the darkness of the room. Like if I need the flashlight brighter, if that makes sense. As of right now, the depth. Let me jump up here. The depth looks pretty good. It almost. I don't know. You guys think that it looks like we're on the third floor from right here? Like, I know you could see like the end of the roads and stuff, but like I said, this is just a temporary setup. I'm actually going to fully model some actual buildings down there, and I'm gonna probably use those textures for the lights on the windows of some buildings, because I want it to be like we're in a city. So you might see more skyscrapers, and I'm going to push back the terrain a little bit more, so that way I have more room for buildings, so I can do like maybe 2 extra rows of buildings, like one right here and then one right behind it. And then once I get that scene done, then I'm going to move on to straight up decorating each of the rooms, basically giving it life, giving it something, so you have stuff to interact with and see. And then once I finish all the rooms, that is, I do want to add the lighting fixtures, like I said. So I'm gonna add some just some lights on the ceiling, and then on this wall right here, I'm gonna reconstruct it to where there's a doorway right here leading on to the next part of the building. I might even add a level above us. So like a 4th floor. I know this is only the 1st floor because, you know, technically this is the first area I've made, but story-wise it'll be, let's say, the 3rd floor of this big building, and we'll go higher to a 4th floor, and maybe even higher. You never know. Aside from all the problems I had today, I'm glad I was able to fix those problems quick, and I'm back on track. Let me end this before the music gets way too loud. Go back to scene, and then let's put it on. You know what? Just for the heck of it. Nah, too bright, too bright. We need. There we go. That way it doesn't hurt my eyes whenever I work on it tomorrow. Not tomorrow, Monday. So yeah, that's everything that I worked on today. I had a lot more done, but like I said, I had problems that I had to fix. But thankfully, I have this demo scene to help give me an idea of what I want to do out here. I'm going to remove it on Monday and then start building everything, because I've been able to build roads and buildings before. It's not that hard. It just takes time. Because like level design is something that like a lot of people would probably suck at, but you know, practice makes perfect, as they say. You know what I mean? So anyway, that's all I did for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys on Monday for the next update. I hope everyone has a good weekend. Talk to you later.